Assalamu alaikum everybody, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to vlog a day in my life as an MBBS student, as a first year MBBS student studying for the CVS module. I reached university and directly went to the lecture hall to attend our first lecture because there were two lectures that were supposed to held today, so this was our second lecture. उसके बाद here comes the biometric machine and the biometric attendance basically जिसके लिए most of the students come, so yeah, attendance mark करना तो must है. By the way, this is the study guide and I am complementing the topics with the lecture. After the class ended, I went to the library और library में I had downloaded some of the lectures for the histology of the CVS. So I had that on my agenda that I have to watch those all lectures. And then also क्योंकि हमारा जो है वो respiratory module की OSPE and the theory exam was left, so I also did that as well. And then we came towards our lab जो कि हमारी physiology lab है basically. So here we are attending the physiology lab. So this was about a short and the random day at my university. But abhi hold your horses, the vlog isn't over yet. Let me take you to my afterlife of university as well. So घर गई, घर जाके थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करने के बाद we came to KB's. KB's की हमें आइसक्रीम की क्रेविंग हो रही थी, so we went there for the ice cream. And then also I had some brownies with me as well, homemade brownies actually. So I'm trying to make an ice cream brownie with that. Alright G, so after all of this, now we are heading towards a stationery shop or you can say a book shop because me and my sister has to restock a lot of things. So yeah, let's go. सबसे पहले जो मुझे चीज़ चाहिए थी वो थी these plastic folder bags जो कि मैंने सबसे पहले जाके लिए because मेरे ख़त्म हो गए थे. प्लस आई रियली नीडेड दैम बिकॉज अगर आप लोग मेरे प्रीवियस व्लॉग्स देखते हैं तो फिर वहाँ पे मैंने अपने सारे नोट्स जो हैं वो इन्हीं फोल्डर्स में ऑर्गेनाइज किए हुए हैं. Also, I took this small register as well, small size register for planning and stuff. And then I spotted this cute gel pens. These were the two gel pens with the two sticky notes. मेरी दोस्त है उसकी बर्थडे आई थी, so I thought why not give her this. Baki, this is the pen section everyone, and oh my god, this has so much of the variety. And by the way, these are some cute pocket notebooks over here. These are the markers, the sticky notes, and now finally we are done with our shopping, so yeah. Also then I decided to get these cute little birthday cards because my friend's birthday is going to come up this September, so I'm going to get some of the birthday cards. ऑनेस्टली सारे बहुत अच्छे थे और मेरा दिल चाह था मैं सारे ले लूँ, बट ऑब्वियसली इट वॉज ऑफ नो नीड फॉर मी, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ फ्यू ऑफ देम. और मैंने बहुत पर्टिकुलर होके 2-3 सिलेक्ट किए फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड दिस वॉज माई पर्सनल फेवरेट. In another news everyone, I was organizing my study space that I came across this page where I wrote 2 of my most learned life lessons. Now why did I wrote them? I wrote them because I may not forget them. And अब जो है इसे हम लोग कट करते हैं and then let's put it inside my journal. This is actually how my journal basically looks like, where I do most of my journaling part. And this is, I don't know why, my personal favorite because I think it has a lot of variety in it. By the way, I got it from Liberty Books, in case you guys are wondering that where did I bought it from. Now the best point over here is this, that this is having the dividers in a form of the envelopes basically. So if you guys see over here, so this is also one of the dividers that is separating a section, and this is in a form of an envelope, like you can keep your any important paper stuff over here. If you see, so like this, it is opening. इस तरह से ये कुछ open हो जाता है and then it, you know, it's like an envelope. So I have decided that I will keep my page in it. So let's see if it fits in it or not. I hope so that it gets fit inside it. Let's see. So yes, finally now it's done and my journal is complete. I think September should be really titled as the birthday month because obviously मेरी बहुत सारी दोस्तों की birthday September में आती है. So I bought some of the gifts. ये जो है this is a mirror basically. So ये एक इस तरह से this is a pocket mirror. राइट सो ये मैंने एक लिया था बिकॉज आई रियली फाउंड इट क्यूट. एंड देन व्हाट आई बॉट नेक्स्ट वाज दीज जेल पेन्स जो कि मैंने अभी आपको वीडियो में भी दिखाए हैं. एंड दीज आर paired with cute little sticky notes. And then this is the diary finally after wandering a lot in the store. मुझे फिर जाके ये डायरी कहीं से मिली थी because I really wanted to get something very nice and very special as well. So this is one more diary. I really hope she likes it. So yeah, so these are basically for 3 of my different friends and I really hope that they like it. Now let's end this video over here. So that was it for this vlog. See you guys in another med school related video. Allah Hafiz everyone, take care.